Good day, everyone. Today I want to show you a game when it's rain outside. Let's look into the window. How is the weather? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it windy? How is the weather outside? If it is rainy, I feel sad. When it is rainy, I feel sad. But I know a game. You can clap it. Listen. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Or you can play it with your sister or brother or with your mom or dad. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Or you can clip it with your fingers. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Or you can wink your eyes. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Or you can just open your window and say, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So I think rain understands English. So maybe it will work. Tell me, okay? See you next time.